Is your garage overflowing with clutter, old furniture, or unwanted junk? If so, you're not alone. Many homeowners in Austin struggle with garage spaces that have turned into storage units for unused items, leaving little to no room for cars, tools, or workspaces. Fortunately, professional garage cleanout services in Austin make reclaiming your space effortless. Whether you're looking to declutter, organize, or prepare for a renovation, here's why hiring a garage cleanout service is the perfect solution. Why a garage cleanout is essential. A cluttered garage doesn't just make it difficult to park your car, it can also create safety hazards by accumulating dust, pests, and tripping risks. Reduce home efficiency by making it harder to find tools, seasonal decorations, and important household items. Limit workspace potential if you want to use your garage for hobbies, home gym setups, or DIY projects. Lower property appeal when it's time to sell your home. By clearing out unwanted items, you can restore functionality to your garage and maximize your home's storage potential. Benefits of professional garage cleanout services in Austin. While some homeowners attempt a DIY cleanout, professional garage cleanout services offer significant advantages. A. Saves you time and effort. Sorting through years of accumulated junk can be time-consuming. Professional teams efficiently categorize, remove, and dispose of items, allowing you to focus on other priorities. B. Responsible disposal and recycling. Many garage cleanout services in Austin prioritize eco-friendly disposal by donating usable items to local charities, recycling electronics, metal, and paper to minimize landfill waste, properly disposing of hazardous materials like paint, batteries, and chemicals. This ensures your garage cleanout is not only efficient but also environmentally responsible. C. Heavy lifting and safe removal. From old appliances and furniture to construction debris, many garage items are too heavy or bulky for one person to handle. Professional cleanout teams come equipped with dollies and lifting equipment to prevent injuries, trucks and trailers to haul away large items, protective gear to handle dusty or hazardous materials safely. This eliminates the risk of back strain, cuts, or accidents that can occur with DIY removals. What items can be removed during a garage cleanout? Garage cleanout services in Austin can handle a wide range of items, including old furniture, couches, cabinets, tables, chairs, appliances, refrigerators, washers, dryers, water heaters, exercise equipment, treadmills, weights, bikes, yard waste, branches, leaves, old planters, construction debris, wood, drywall, tiles, tools and equipment, broken power tools, outdated machinery, electronics, TVs, computers, monitors, speakers, boxes of clutter, papers, clothing, seasonal decorations. If you're unsure whether a company can handle your specific items, a quick consultation will clarify what they can remove. How to choose the right garage cleanout service in Austin. With several companies offering junk removal and garage cleanouts, here are key factors to consider when choosing the best service. A. Reputation and reviews. Look for a company with positive customer feedback on Google, Yelp, or BBB. Good reviews indicate reliable service and professionalism. B. Transparent pricing. Avoid hidden fees by choosing a company that offers free estimates based on volume or item type. Flat rate pricing instead of vague per-hour charges. Upfront quotes with no surprise add-ons. C. Licensing and insurance. To protect your property and belongings, ensure the company is licensed and insured for junk removal services. D. Eco-friendly disposal practices. Companies that prioritize recycling and donations help minimize landfill waste while benefiting the community. What to expect during your garage cleanout? Hiring a professional cleanout service is simple and hassle-free. Here's what the process typically looks like. Schedule an appointment. Contact a reputable service and set up a date that works for you. On-site evaluation. The team assesses your garage and provides a clear quote before starting. Sorting and removal. Items are categorized for donation, recycling, or disposal while unwanted clutter is removed. Final cleanup. Once everything is cleared, the team sweeps and tidies up your garage space. Enjoy your new space. With your garage free of clutter, you can now use it for storage, parking, or any other purpose you envision. Reclaim your garage space today. If your garage has turned into a storage dumping ground, now is the time to reclaim your space. With professional garage cleanout services in Austin, you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more functional garage without the stress of doing it yourself. Whether you're preparing for a move, a renovation, or just want to declutter, a garage cleanout service makes the process quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Schedule a professional cleanout today and transform your garage into a clean, organized, and usable space.